Did you know that every 1 hour, one person dies because of drinking this unclean water? The world is advancing and so are the problems. The future is not so quite predictable. We are having many problems such as global warming and drinking water issues. You can see in the world there are many countries where children are dying due to unsafe drinking water. So here we present the main plan.
Hello everyone, I am Swarik from SNPP International School. Today we are going to talk about some problems we usually face in our daily life. So the first problem we usually face is the lack of clean drinking water. So we have made a product, seawater purifier, which is used to purify the seawater and make it drinkable. And it also removes the salt. So we can use the salt after purification in many ways. And the second problem we usually face is the global warming. So from the car exhaust, there are many poisonous gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and nitrogen. So we have made a carbon filter which filters all these gases.
To solve this problem, we suggest using a seawater purifier. A seawater purifier purifies seawater into salt and water, drinkable water. The water can be used for drinking, whereas the salt can be used for cloud feeding, which is a process in which we feed clouds with salt to make them rain. The salt can also be used for our carbon filters.
Our sea purifying machine uses tidal energy to convert seawater into drinkable water and salt. It also incorporates a carbon filter which traps poisonous gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide released by the automobile exhausts. It filters it out and make less pollution.
So as you can see, we have built a blender model of our system. So as you can see, this is the central unit and these are the many in-house built units, and the lines you can see over here are the pipelines. So the water from the sea will be transported into these pipes and then reaching over here. And then we are going to build many pipelines which will connect on the central top of the tower, and with the pumps we are collecting from the waste and which are being used from the solar energy will pump the water here, and it will go down full force by frictionless planes using kinematics. Then the salt can be separated to water because of the high momentum or the kinetic energy possessed by the water molecules.
With this idea, we can convert seawater into drinkable water.
The salt obtained, if treated, can be used for cooking and for salt and cloud seeding, which can help in getting fresh rain.
As we simply know, the carbon filters will remove contaminants and it will give you useful byproducts and remove the taste or odor coming from the carbon exhausts.
They are easy to install, compatible, long-lasting, safe, and give other health benefits.
Thank you.
Thank you.